It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh.
So, guys, I made it to Fifi's job. It is 8:50 right now, and she gets out at 9 o'clock. So, hubby was late getting her like 2 days in a row. So, I wanted to be on time today. Because, child, when I tell you, when this child come out, or if she look on Life 360 and we're not around and she walk out that building, ooh, the attitude. She just be ready to go. But anyway, yeah, I'm outside and I'm pretty sure, I am pretty sure, and I'm going to ask her, I'm pretty sure she looked at that Life 360 to see where we was at. And that will all tell her mood for the rest of the night. Ciao, bye. Okay, at this moment, it's 9 o'clock, y'all, right? It is 9 o'clock on the dot. I turned back on the camera as soon as it went to 9 o'clock p.m. So let's see how long it's going to take her to walk out this door. 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. That's not her. I don't know who that is. But hey, maybe I wrote this song for you. I see 2 other people coming out. That's not her. That's definitely not her. Ooh, baby, I love you so much. Baby, I love you. You're my everything. Like, what was she thinking when she did that song? Child. The sky looks so beautiful. You see. Look at the sky. It's just so like, I don't know. It's beautiful. Where you going, buddy? What you doing? Oh, okay. Go ahead now. I see. Go ahead. Because you trying to hit people. Just called me talking about, look at her, y'all. Talking about where you at. And I'm like, I'm around the corner. Girl, you know that you checked that Life 360. And what is it that she done picked up again? Look. Always bringing something. I know you looked at that Life 360.
I did, and I'm like, is the Life 360 tripping because you saying it's here? I'm waiting for you to pull up. That's why I called you.
I am pulled up. It's just this car just didn't want to pull on the side of it because I was filming. And I ain't wanted to think nothing extra. What you got, water? That's why I'm getting that water cooler, because y'all guzzle water more than the fish in the ocean.
What you talking about, Willis?
I'm telling you, that ain't even gonna last a week, y'all. That pack, what is it, 40 pack?
Yeah.
Ooh, you so rough. Jeez. How long you been outside? Cause
A good 7 minutes.
what? Okay, so this, I got one from Temu and one from Amazon. Okay, so the Amazon, I know that I have 2 wigs in there, 2 glueless wigs in my Bible. I don't remember what I have in my Temu package, okay? And I didn't go and look at it, but I will go and look at it when I'm finished. That's what I do, to make sure that they did give me all my packages that I ordered. Yeah, so I had to see, because the way I'm set, because I'm in my bathroom, and the way I set up the camera, I just need to make sure that the angle is right, even though I look. But it just looks so funny, and it makes me want to look over to my phone. But I know I need to look into the mirror on the camera lens. It's weird. Anyway, So y'all, I decided to do a voiceover because the way I set up my camera, my voice is very low and I really don't talk low. So yeah, this is why you're getting the voiceover. So I got me a humidifier because the one that my daughter had got me last time, I guess I used it up too much that it stopped working. So I just got a mini small one to try it out first to see if it's good before I buy a little bit more expensive one. So yeah, that is what I got. It's a humidifier. It has the on button, of course. It comes with the plug, and then you have different speeds and light. So yeah, that's the humidifier. Let's see what's next. Okay, so we're gonna open this package, and what is this one? Let's see. Okay, so this is a man cave light. I got this one off of Temu, and that's for the boys' room when they get their man cave together. Next up, we have storage for the car. Instead of having a box back there, I decided to get a storage unit to put like my cleaning supplies that's in there, anything that belongs to the car that don't need to actually be in the car but it can sit in the trunk. It's like a velvet type of material, and it feels strong for now. I haven't put it into the car yet to test it out, but it looked like it's going to do the job for now. And again, that was from Temu, and I'm not sure how much the price of it was. Yes, so let's go. Girl, you do not have to clean up everything right away. Just go to the next package. Like, you're doing too much. What is going on? Okay, yeah, let's go. So next we got the Amazon package. I believe in this Amazon package, well, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Girl, hurry up. You doing too much. They see it's Amazon. Everybody in the world order from Amazon, okay? They know how the box look. You don't have to show them the box. Open up the box. Yes, there you go. Yeah, open up the box. Let's go. Time is ticking. Time is ticking. Come on. What's in there? Pull out all them papers. Yes, I got my Bible. My Bible. For a while, guys, I've been walking around with a small Bible, the New Testament version. And listen, sometimes you have to read the old history to be able to know the new. So I am grateful and thankful that I bought this Bible. I don't know what took me so long, but it's the best book to read on earth. Yeah. So that's no exaggeration. I'm excited. I'm excited to dive in, okay? Next up, what is this? That looked like some hair. Okay, girl, open up that package. Go ahead. They got like a little red little bag, which was cute and all. Cute little bag. Do your thing, girl. Do your thing. What it says on there, I can't even see what it says on there. Can y'all see what it says on there? Because I forgot. But anyway, let's get into it. Let's get into what's in this bag, okay? Let's go. Girl, stop. Open it. There you go. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, a pair of lashes. I normally give those lashes away because I do not wear those long dramatic lashes. My eyes are too small for it, and I'm gonna look like I done sucked down 50 million margaritas, okay? And that your girl don't do. Maybe 1 or 2 or 3, but no more than that. Also, it came with a stocking cap. Yeah. What else did it come with? Is that the main thing? Yeah, okay, so this is a bob, a glueless bob wig that I decided to get. Yeah, open up that. It comes with an extra elastic band and the clip also if you need to adjust it. And yeah, wait till I put this wig on, okay? Wait till I put this wig on because, oh my gosh. Dora. Dora. Oh man, look at my face. I'm like, I don't know. I still don't know. Dora. Oh, the girl thought if she put it on her head, it would come out better. Child, what is this? I look like those cartoons that been going around. What it? I am cracking myself up doing this voiceover. It did not come out the way I thought it was going to come out. And I'm going to find a picture of this bob and I'm going to put it up on the screen so you guys can see what I thought it was going to look like on my head. But child, no. What is that? What is that? Y'all go ahead and get a good laugh. I deserve it. I'm going to laugh with y'all. Yeah, okay, no. This is a mess. I can't. And when I tried it on for my husband and my daughter, my son, he don't really care. But when I tried it on for my husband and my daughter, their facial expression looks like our little dog Bella when she gets in trouble. That's how they was looking at me. But I'm going to work with this girl and I'm going to hook her up. Yeah. Yeah. She can do something. She can do something. Just give me a try. Just give me a try. I got you, girl. I got you. So up next, guys. Yeah. So I ordered 2 wigs. So you just saw the first one with. That's kind of a disaster, but I'm gonna bring her back to life. So that was a bob. Now this one is a wet and wavy headband wig. Okay, headband glueless wig. I wanted to get I love wet and wavy. Curly hair is the type of hair that fits my face better than anything. So this one also came with a stacking cap and another headband. So, you know, one is actually sewed onto the wig and they also send me another headband. I think that's leopard or cheetah print. Yeah. So this is how she looks. Go ahead and get it out the bag, girl. Get it out the bag. It don't take that long. It don't take that long. Go ahead and put it on my head. Put it on your head. Put it on my head. Put it on your head. Put it on my head. Yeah. That one is so much better. Look at the curls, guys. Look at the curl pattern. Yeah, it is 100% human hair. Yeah. And there go the band that goes to the back. Yeah, it's like a Velcro. Is that what it's called? Velcro? Yeah, child. If it's not, correct me in the comments section. Correct me, y'all. Correct me. Yeah, so this is a headband wig. Of course, I'm just trying it on. I'm not fitting it properly on my head. I just want to see if it can fit and, you know, if it slide. Yes. I'm excited for this one. Now, that is what I'm talking about, okay? This one is cute. Yes. Could you imagine when I put the water and the mousse and everything on her? Yeah, do your thing. Yeah, I love it. That one, I'm not for sure. But, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna bring her to life. I'm going to bring her to life. So, yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Just remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend about Ken and Kingdom Vlog. Let's meet up in the comment section.
Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit.